The following is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Michigan: Mason, Oshna, and Muskegon. Winter storm warning in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time Friday. What? Heavy snow occurring, mainly along and west of US 31. Plan on difficult travel conditions. Snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches are expected, with localized amounts up to 9 inches. Highest accumulations will be along and west of US 31, where Mason, Oshna, and Muskegon counties. When? Until noon Friday. Be prepared for significant reductions in visibility at times. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions are occurring. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.